Let's now talk about OpenAI, which is the company that shook the world to its core. OpenAI, which was founded in December 2015, is a renowned research organization that has been the driving force behind the rapid advancement of AI and specifically large language models. OpenAI's mission goes beyond mere technological advancement. It aims to ensure that the development and deployment of artificial general intelligence, or AGI, are in the best interests of humanity. OpenAI's journey has been marked by groundbreaking research and development, with LLMs serving as a significant milestone. Their efforts in creating models like the GPT series have propelled LLMs to the forefront of AI innovation. These models showcase OpenAI's commitment to pushing the boundaries of natural language processing and understanding to the max. Oh, and let's not forget about the responsible AI leadership role taken by OpenAI. OpenAI has actively engaged with concerns related to bias, misinformation, and ethical usage. By addressing these challenges head on, OpenAI seeks to set standards for responsible AI deployment, contributing to a more ethical and accountable AI ecosystem. The GPT series have had a great impact on the field of LLMs, demonstrating their potential across applications such as content generation, chatbots, and code assistance. These models have influenced research directions, including applications and the public's perception of AI capabilities. Let's now see a little bit of what it looks like when you're using an LLM.